Welcome to solverfy.
So 11A is asking us what types of structures we need to form a homopolymer polyester. Now, a homopolymer refers to a polymer that has the same type of monomer. So we're looking for something that is structurally uniform. Now, a polyester results from the formation or the reaction between a carboxylate acid group and an alcohol functional group to form an ester. So the monomer for a polyester is going to have a carboxylic acid functional group as well as an alcohol functional group in order to form the polyester. 11B is asking us what we need to form a copolymer polyamide, and the example the book gave us was nylon. Now, a copolymer means that we're using two different types of monomers. And a polyamide, like nylon, is the result of the formation of dimers that have an amine group at one end and a carboxyl group at the other. Now, a dimer is a building block that has two monomers in it. So if the dimer has an amine group at one end and a carboxyl group at the other, that means one of those monomers needs to have at least two amine groups. And the other needs to have at least two carboxyl groups. The reason being, each of those monomers needs at least two functional groups in order to form the chain. You can think about it like a chain in the link. It has to have an attachment point at either end. So each of these monomers needs at least two functional groups to create that copolymer polyamide. And lastly, we need to find the components that could make both an addition and a condensation polymer. So an addition polymer is one that has a carbon-carbon double bond. So regardless of whether we're making a condensation polymer, we have to have that carbon-carbon double bond. Now, there are two different types of condensation polymers. One of them is a polyester, and the other is a polyamide. Now, if we're going to form the polyester, then we need to have an alcohol and a carboxylic acid functional group. And if we want to form the polyamide, we need the amine group and the carboxylic acid. So to form both an addition and a condensation polymer, we're going to need that double bond, and we're going to need a carboxylic acid and an alcohol to make the polyester, or we need an amine group and a carboxylic acid to make the polyamide.